hear our cry and be quiet. Let our travails, our sighs, our groanings,
it is in the continuation of priesthood that a man's labor continues. If priesthood dies, your labor have died. If the priesthood is on, the labor is still on. Sometimes one call can be 4 generations. God knows. It can be fulfilled in one. It's an unbroken chain of intercession.
We are there! As you hear my voice, let the shackles holding you down be broken. Arise to your strength. Hey! Holy Ghost, monopolize me! Grab me, Holy Ghost, grab me, monopolize me, hold me. Oh my God!
The moment of encounter. Many of you are standing here, and the heavens are thundering over your family, over your territory. You need to cry out in the name of Jesus. I'm not here in vain.
Born in me, Holy Ghost. 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 I want to enter, Holy Ghost. Born in me, Holy Ghost. I want to enter, Holy Ghost. Born in me, Holy Ghost. Born in me, Holy Ghost. Born in me, oh my God. Born in me, Holy Ghost. Born in me.